When working with your Flojet pump, if it just doesn't come on, what you want to find out is it the motor or is it the pressure switch? Best way to test is I'm hooking up a spare to see if it works, and if it doesn't start, like it's not turned on power, it's not running, let's find out if it's the pressure switch. I took the cover off the pressure switch. All I need is a pair of pliers. It is 12 volts, so we have to be careful, but these are insulated pliers. And as you can see, I'm jumpering it and I get nothing. So the motor's dead.